In this video, we will start and discuss questions on Indian polity. Which part of the Constitution deals with state executive? Part 6. Which articles deals with state executive? Articles 153 to 167. The state executive consists of all of the above. Legislature of a state in India is composed of. Pause to read options. Both A and B. Which article of the Constitution of India provides for a legislature in every state of the country? Article 168. The power of abolition and creation of the State Legislative Council is vested in Parliament. Which of the following articles deals with the power of abolition and creation of the State Legislative Council? Article 169. How many states in India have bicameral legislatures? 6, namely Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Telangana. What is the minimum age for membership of Legislative Council? 30 years. What is the maximum and minimum number of members in the Legislative Assembly? 540, respectively. Which article deals with the number of members in the Legislative Assembly? Article 128. What is the minimum age for membership of Legislative Assembly? 25 years. The state legislature must meet at least twice a year. The new session of state legislature is addressed by Governor. The executive power of the state extends to state and concurrent lists. Who is the executive head of the state? Governor. The governor can reserve a bill for President. The ordinance-making power of the governor is under Article 213. The governor can promulgate ordinances when legislature is not in session. Who advises the governor in normal matters? Chief Minister. The Chief Minister is the link between governor and legislature. The governor can dissolve the state assembly on advice of the Chief Minister. State list subjects are given in Schedule 7. Police is a subject under State list. Financial bills in the state can be introduced only with Governor's recommendation. If you like this video, motivate us by liking and subscribing to our channel Information Gurukul. Do provide suggestions for our next video in the comment section.